Hey everyone, my name is Sally from Cybersage Security. Today, let's talk about a common but often overlooked web vulnerability called client-side security misconfigurations. It might sound technical, but don't worry, I will break it down with simple examples. So first, what do we mean by client-side? That's everything that happens in your browser, the front end of a website. Now, client-side security misconfigurations happen when the developer forgets to set certain security rules in the browser. These rules are meant to protect the user and the site, but when they are missing or wrong, hackers can exploit them. Imagine visiting a building with no security cameras, no entry log, and open windows everywhere. Anyone can walk in, look around, or tamper with stuff unnoticed. This happens when a web app does not set client-side security headers. It's open season for attackers. Let's look at 3 examples of misconfigurations. 1. Missing content security policy CSV. Without a CSV, hackers can inject malicious scripts into the site. This is called XSS cross-site scripting. A good CSV acts like a strict set of rules. Only load scripts from trusted sources. 2. No X-frame options. This allows the site to be embedded into another page, where users could be tricked into clicking things known as clickjacking. It's like putting a fake button over a real one to steal your clicks. 3. Missing sub-resource integrity SRI. If your website loads scripts from a CDN like jQuery, an attacker could change that file without you knowing. SRI adds a fingerprint so the browser knows if the file has been tampered with. How to fix it as a developer or future security pro? Here's how to fix it. Use tools like Mozilla Observatory to check your headers. Set a proper content security policy. Enable headers like X content type options, X-frame options, and strict transport security. Always validate what the browser is allowed to run. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more bite-sized cybersecurity lessons from Cybersage Security. Stay curious, stay secure with Cybersage Security.